Well, I have co-authored a report with Dr. Mushtaq Khan on Pakistan's dairy sector, lessons from the past to build a resilient dairy industry. Well, this is a comprehensive report which tries to focus on different aspects of the dairy industry. So in that respect, this is, I think, a unique report because no other study has addressed all the aspects of the industry. As we know that dairy sector contributes about 12% to Pakistan GDP, and because of the growing population, increase in income, and changing consumption patterns, demand for dairy and livestock product is rapidly increasing. So in that respect, I think the importance of the dairy sector cannot be ignored. So I think this study tries to focus on several aspects of the dairy sector, apart from like addressing some macroeconomic aspects. We have tried to look at the importance of feed and fodder to the livestock sector, the informal dairying, which is called the non-corporate dairy sector. We have tried to see the dynamics of the non-corporate dairy, and also we have looked at the productivity trends in the non-corporate dairy sector, and also the corporate dairy sector, which has recently emerged in Pakistan after 2007, how it is progressing and what are the challenges and prospects for this sector. We have also tried to focus on the milk processing industry in the country, and also address different aspects of the milk processing industry. In addition to that, we have also focused on nutrition and the role of calcium in the diet of the population, and the economics of nutrition in the country. And finally, we have also focused on the imposition of sales tax on the dairy industry, and we have looked at it from different angles, that if this tax is imposed, so what are its implications on consumers, producers, and the government. So the main message of this report is that the small-scale dairy, which is the key sector of Pakistan's dairy sector, which consists of millions of small-holder producers, their competitiveness is being compromised over the last few years. And the estimates that we have come up with based on recent data, they show that the productivity is declining in the small-scale, smallholder dairy industry, which is a matter of concern, which, in other words, if we put it simply means that the value of production is not increasing as much as the cost of production. Moreover, we have also found out that the average real return to the dairy sector, which was quite high 10 years ago, it has dramatically gone down. It's only increasing by 1.4% per annum, which is not sustainable for this large sector. I think the other important aspect that we have highlighted in this is the importance of feed and fodder, and the weaknesses that the shortages that we have. We have tried to address the issues and try to answer the question that how the shortages of fodder and feed, especially in the months of summer when there is a huge shortage, so how that can be met. So what are the possible strategies that can be used? We have also tried to actually analyze the milk processing industry and the challenges of the milk processing industry, and what are the prospects and how they can address those problems. And finally, we have also focused on the role of nutrition, and especially the role of dairy sector in overcoming the nutritional deficiencies in the country. And we have highlighted that because of the deficiencies in nutrition, there is an annual loss of about $11 billion to Pakistan's economy. And moreover, if the iron deficiency and iodine deficiency and nutritional deficiency, if these are fulfilled, so this can lead to about 4 percentage point increase in GDP. Well, the key highlight of this report is that the productivity of smallholder dairy in Pakistan is going down at the rate of 1.43% per annum. I think this is a startling finding, which is surprising for the industry and also surprising for all the stakeholders, that the total factor productivity is going down. And it simply means that the value of production is not increasing as much as the cost of production. So there could be a number of factors for this. So we have tried to address that in the report as well.